Welcome back to AlivePhysEd. Today we're going to show you how to make a paper football using an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. What we're first going to do is fold it in half. So I just fold it right down the middle, crease it down. And then I'm going to take my right side over to the middle, crease it down. Take my left side to the middle, crease it down. Then I'm going to fold it, and now I have my long straight piece of paper. I'm going to take the bottom right corner and I'm going to take it up to form a triangle and then crease it down. Okay, so it looks like that. And then from there, I'm going to fold and crease, and I'll repeat the process so you can see the triangle. And I'm going to keep repeating the process all the way down the paper, okay, until I get to the end. Okay, so it's going to look like that. And then from here, I'm going to take it, I'm going to bring my end so that it looks like this. Okay, so I've got my paper football, and then I made it to where I have a big triangle. And then from there, I'm going to take the end of this end, and I'm going to go into the football itself, and I'm just going to tuck and press, tuck and press. So I'm folding it inside of itself. Okay, and then voila, I've got my football. And safety, you know, just kind of get those ends, put it down. If you want to make it a little more durable, you can get a piece of tape. Then you go right over top of that point to where you folded it in. Okay, and then from there we have our football. It's good.